Hello everyone. See what time it is? It's another unboxing, guys. So this is all going to be donated to the Philippines, guys. Most of them. So let's go ahead and get it started. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, go ahead and do so. And we're going to go ahead and get it started. Thank you. Let's do this. All right. So let me. All right, let's do this. Okay, see what we have here. This is a kind of like a popular, I don't know, but anyway, not that I don't know. So I got this. We're definitely gonna be. This is gonna be donated in the Philippines. This is the Mulan. I love Mulan, the movie Mulan. Okay, so let's put this on the side there. And I purchased a couple of. Anyway. Let me see that. Okay, well, there you go. Bubble Burst. I found in color purple. So we already have some, but this is a really good to be donated in the Philippines. It's a very fun game, guys. And I have another of the pop. This is the Cersei. I have not seen this movie, or of course it comes from the movie Eternals. I've not seen it, but I like it because she's wearing green. Alright, let's put this on the side. Here you go. Here's another one, and one in gray. Purple burst. So it's gonna be good. That's all gonna be donated. To be donated in the Philippines. Okay, the simple one. And look what I found. I found this. It's a calculator. It's gonna be cool. This is actually mine. Well, for a while, right? Then after that, we're gonna be donating in the Philippines. I like this. I am looking to buy the keyboard, kind of like have this ASMR thing. It's the same thing with the different colors and stuff. I like it, so I'm just saving some enough money to buy that keyboard for my computers. Okay, it's cute. Next, look at this Hello Kitty. Oops. Hello Kitty first. Look at this remote control flower cart. So I don't know how this one works. For sure, we can need some batteries, and you got the remote control. You can do forward, backward. Okay, remote control. Look. So, but we can definitely just open it, tested it, and put some batteries to see if it works. But it's definitely going to be donated in the Philippines. And oh, I love Smurf. This is mine. Smurfs. I remember a long time ago, I loved the Smurfs. That's the only one that I normally love to watch is Smurfs. I like this. So that's gonna be mine. And we found this Hello Kitty and Friends. Cinnamon. I think this is just the character. We'll open it later. Just a collectible. Collect them all. See? So now we gotta. So I gotta see what. So I got the 4. So now we gotta go to the second set. See if we can find it. I guess I didn't find it there in the 5 billion. So when we go visit another next time, let's get the others. Okay, now ooh, look at this portable power bank. course, I'm just gonna go test it all, of course, to make sure everything works, and then we'll send it to the Philippines. So it's gonna be open, but still, right? We just want to go ahead and test it out. Okay. This is pretty much. I'm probably just gonna use it for a few times to do some shorts video and to make sure it works. And then, so it's battery. Yeah, you need some batteries. And we're gonna have fun with this. But after that, guys, this is all gonna be sent to the Philippines. Okay. This is cute. That's cute. Alright. So I found this. I don't know what's in it yet. Nintendo mushroom. So it's candy. See how cute it is? It's candy. So this is probably gonna stay here because once that I open it, it's a candy. So maybe anyway, this is gonna be for him. Waterproof phone. Anyway, I just went and got one. Especially now, summertime, we're definitely gonna need one to make sure our phone will be safe, waterproof when we go into the water. Okay, so this is definitely for here. So when I go to the river or to the beach or do the kayaking, we already have one to travel with. And the last one, so I do have anyway. Oh, look at this, Super Mario. And I don't know what's in here. We can have a separate, let me see, for sure it's some kind of candy. Okay, we're gonna have a separate. I have so much. It's like one container of all the balls with the surprise inside, but I have not opened any of them yet. So we're gonna do it one at a time. So it's candy. There you go. I missed that. So the candy is this. Okay. Okay. So this is gonna be, of course, staying here. I don't know. It depends if I have time. But like I said, I have a bunch of surprise balls to be open and kind of to see what's in it. I do have several. So I think I'm gonna keep this one for now because I do have several that. Okay, well, let's add this one. Okay, let's add this wireless shower speaker. Hello Kitty. This is, you gotta put batteries, of course, or okay, Bluetooth. Oh, okay. We're gonna try to open this later on. Right now, what I got here. Okay. And I love this one right here. Definitely, we're gonna try to open this later. Okay. And of course, if we're gonna go send this to make sure this is probably gonna stay here with me. It's just for, you know, when I make like the shorts video. Okay. Oh, I got two. Uh-oh. I don't think I can exchange it. Anyway, so one of them definitely we're gonna send it to the Philippines. And look, I don't know why, but I love buying some cables. But to be honest with you, I've been buying it, but I'm still using my old one. So we're just gonna donate it. I think I'm definitely gonna keep the fastest one. This is what I'm keeping. Being a green, that's why I purchased it. But I don't need it, so we're just gonna keep one, or probably just give it away, guys, in the Philippines. Okay. There we go. Haha. I have the set. Didn't even know. Cool. So I'm keeping this. Definitely we're gonna send that to the Philippines, or after I finish whatever I need to do with this, it's definitely gonna be donated. Of course, look at this. Hello Kitty. So I went and got the Hello Kitty adapter, wall charger. They just don't have the Hello Kitty with it. So green one. I like this one because you can have the USB and then the Type C. Okay, so it's perfect for this one if you want to give it away to the Philippines. And I know it don't match, but anyway, it's there. I still have quite a few upstairs with cables. So here, look what I found here. So this is a collectible character, so I don't know what's gonna be in here. Let's see. No, so open here. Alright, so I don't know what's gonna be here. This is, like I said, I got a bunch of this with a bunch of them with the surprises, but I have not opened it yet. So we're all gonna just one day, when everything get organized in my house and send whatever I need to send out, we can have some time to open it one at a time. Okay, so that's it. I just want to make it longer because I do have quite a few to open or to do the unboxing today. While I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything done and put it in one container so I can just organize my stuff. So anyway, guys, this is it, guys, and thank you all guys for continue supporting my channel. I really appreciate everyone, but everything that you do as far as watching my videos, continue liking, clicking that like button. Thank you guys for your support, because everything that we earning in my YouTube channel is definitely go to the single mom that we helping out in the Philippines. So I know this is all just most of them with toys, but no one's gonna buy the toys in the Philippines, right? They're gonna buy food first before any of this. So I'm happy just to send them this kind of stuff that we have here, and I'm just gonna continue doing it. But at the same time, I'm sending them like food, like noodles, coffee, creamer, peanut butter, or anything that most of them is like pasta, like the noodles, the spaghetti, ramen soup. I mean, just something that they can use it also, right? Why not send the money? I don't know. To me, I'd rather to send them the stuff versus the money. Alright? So anyway, guys, I really appreciate everyone that's there watching my video right now. And we're going to go ahead and end it right here for now. Alright? God bless you all, guys. God bless you all. Thank you very much. And I'm just going to reorganize it and take a nice picture. Alright? Thank you guys. Let's see. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Thanks, Nerves. There we go. Let's hold it. Okay. There. Alright, guys. Just take a picture. So thank you very much, guys. God bless you and God bless you and your family. Thank you, everyone.